come from any simple bean. You can make soup from any chicken in your coop, but you cannot make a chicken from soup. Idiots say long ago, everybody used to be a fish. Then we landed on land, and now they could sand. Most of the potatoes with a satellite dish. The Bible says a foolish man doesn't fear God, but it's time to look around and get a clue. Takes more evolution to believe in evolution than the 7-day story that's true. But you can't make a chicken from soup. Chickens didn't come from any soup.